Good thing must to come to an end. I'm quitting retail arbitrage. And for those of you who doesn't know what is retail arbitrage or what is mean, it's basically a business model that people doing on Amazon or on eBay or on any other platform. And basically you buy products from retailer like Costco, like Smith's or anywhere. Basically, more often of the time it's retailers, and you resell that item at markup price on Amazon, eBay, or anywhere. And the problem with this business model, it's the barrier of entry is very low. Anybody can do it. Your grandma can do it. Your 15-year-old daughter. Everybody can do it. Basically, if you have 200 pounds in your pocket, you can compete with the big guys that have thousands of pounds to spend. And this issue drive down the price tremendously because everybody can go in the store, see an item, scan it, and see what it's selling for on Amazon, buy it and list it on Amazon. And more people doing this, the price keep going down and down and down, and you find out that you're left without any profit. So maybe you're thinking Amazon FBA is dead, or and this business model is that on Amazon, and in reality is not. Actually, it's uh, it's been here for a long time, this business model, retail arbitrage. I think now it's calling retail arbitrage, but like 1,000 years ago, 2,000 years ago, or whatever more, the, there was people that could find this kind of deal and buy it here and resell it somewhere else for the profit. And but it was not calling retail arbitrage. So I think this business will be forever, whether or not the Amazon will be around or not. People always will find great deal to resell some product on another place, and it's not that at all. You can still make money, but it's getting harder and harder, and people finding out how to do it, and the competition is keep increasing and increasing. So that's why when competition is going up, the profit margin going down. It's normal business practices and what's happening in the world. I still have a lot of inventory on the Amazon fulfillment center, so probably I have 15 20,000 worth of inventory, so I'm good for the next month or so. And nonetheless, the Q4 will be around the corner, and Q4 it's the period of the year where the people buy the most stuff from online. The sales increase exponentially on this time of the year, so will be a lot of when I'll push a little bit harder to have some more inventory, to find some new stocks to sell. And if you know me very well, you know I'm not quitting. I only put it apart because to doing retail arbitrage you actually need a car. And my business strategy, I'm not buying, never I pay retail for the car, never. Regardless, I'm not gonna be cut out in the depreciation. Actually, on all the cars that I have, I make profits. So it's part of my strategy. I sell my last car. If you watch some video back, which I can link it up here if you want to see it. I have a VW Charan that it's very good for this kind of business. But I sell it, so I made like 1,200 pounds in profit of the car. And now I'm looking to buy something else, and that's why I don't do any more retail arbitrage. I'm sourcing stuff online, and I ship it straight away to the Amazon warehouses. But it's not so much fun sitting all day in front of the computer and sourcing item is not very fun. Basically, retail arbitrages have his touch of fun. You go around, you meet people, you go in the store, you find new trend, new item, what's selling, what's not. Because online, sometimes you don't find the item that are in the store. So that's why you have to go physically there to to find it. So I'm here and now I'm on auctions. I try to buy a cheap car so I can make a profit on the car and I can use it to do also retail arbitrage. So this is my business strategy. If you want to know more about this business strategy, let me down in the comments below. And it's pretty much for today. A short video. Hope you enjoy it. Leave a like, subscribe, why not? And if you are the first time on the channel, is the channel where I give you tips how to make money, and you should consider to subscribe. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.